Okay guys, today I'll be showing you how to make your iPod or iPhone or iPad faster and save up more battery. So for this, I am using iOS 9.2, so if you have like iOS 7 or something, you might not have like the same settings. I don't know, but okay, so first step, turn off Bluetooth. Bluetooth takes a lot of your speed away because it's just searching for devices to connect to, so you should turn that off. Next thing is to take off Ask to join networks. And then also take off Wi-Fi if you're not using it. Say if you're on like a trip in an airplane and you need to save something. And then next thing you want to do is go on location services and take this off because it is just draining your whole battery. So go down, and then you also want to go to general, scroll all the way down, and go to background app refresh. Take this off. Every time you go into one of these apps, it's just going to refresh it, so yeah, that will save a lot of battery. Okay, this will make your iPad way faster. Go to reduce motion, press this, tap it, and it will make your iPad, like when you're scrolling up and down, it's not as clear, but it saves you a lot of speed. Then next you want to go to home button and go slowest. It saves your speed up as well whenever you click the home button, so you should do that as well. And I think that is about it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you all next time. Please be sure to like this video and comment, and thank you guys for watching.